I've been reading up a lot and watching videos, and one day I'm sure I might attend some Scania training seminars or schools if they have that, to learn how to properly work on one of these trucks. But right now I have not done that, so this is all my own reconnaissance, teaching myself, figuring it out. And the reason I do a lot of things maybe the backwards way compared to how people expect us to do it, by calling up Scania every 5 seconds whenever I can't figure something out, I don't know how to do it. And the reason I do that is to show everyone that you can figure it out on your own, and to show that these trucks are not a scary truck when you look at them if you ever have to work on them or do any kind of maintenance. So as long as you have a little bit of paperwork and access to the right information, you can figure out just about anything on these trucks.